no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a
What's poppin' in nation? It's your girl Daylawebster here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, then you lame. What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is going to be me installing this beautiful wig from this company here. This company. How do I pronounce it? Arabella Hair. Okay, so this is their 26-inch deep wave 360 lace, that's what it is, 360 lace. So it's lace in the front and it's lace in the back, baby. So you could do buns, ponytails. I didn't install my back correctly, so I won't be doing that unless I have a headband. But you can put it in high ponytails, high buns, like whatever you want to do. And it is 200 density. So it's very full, very thick, and this is how it looks like semi-dry. It's a little wet, but really mostly dry. I'm gonna wet it also so you guys can see how it looks wet. But yeah, super cute, super full, super thick. I love it, period, baby. Make me feel like a model. But yeah, this wig is pretty nice so far. And yeah, this is how it comes stretched out. Let me bring y'all down so y'all can see. So y'all can see a little length. And I am what, 5'4", 5'5". So this is 26 inches. This how far it come down on me. And yeah, it's really pretty cute. I like it. I'm probably do another video when I'm wetting it, just showing you guys how to take care of the hair, you know. And just an update. So yeah, pretty cute. Oh, they sent me a lot of goodies in the box, and they sent me this little pamphlet that doesn't count. But they sent me this little headband. So girl, they gave me a headband. They gave me a bracelet. I'm gonna wear it as an anklet because my anklet just broke and my ankles are really little. So I'm putting my ankle. They sent, and I don't know if this is like an elastic band or what. Like it goes inside the wig. And they also sent edge brush. So yeah, you get a couple goodies with your wig. So yeah, all the information will be down below if you guys would like to shop this wig from them. I don't know, I like the little thing, so I might wear it. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching. So firstly, of course, I do my ball cap method, and I did not film me actually creating the cap, just putting the makeup on, because I have plenty of videos of me doing my ball cap. So just watch a older video if you guys don't know how to do the ball cap. But here I'm just putting some makeup on the front and the back of my hair. This is my first time actually doing the back of my ball cap, like gluing it down, putting makeup on it, because I've never had a 360 lace before. I've always done just lace front. But here I'm just cutting the ear tabs off, and I'm gonna just cut along the back, get all the excess cap off, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the front and just cut as much cap off as you can. And this was very hard because I could not see what I was doing at all. Like the back was very hard. I could not see what I was doing. But yeah, just cut the excess cap off. Be very careful. You don't want to cut yourself. And I like to use scissors to cut my cap off. Some people use razors, but I don't trust myself enough to use a razor to cut my cap. So here's the wig, and you guys can see lace in the front, lace in the back. So I'm gonna cut this lace off in the back. I was gonna use scissors, but I decided to use a razor so I can get a more jagged hairline cut. And I did make a mistake. I cut all the lace off. You see, I cut all the lace off. But you're not supposed to cut all the lace off because you have to install it. Like, you have to install the back, so you have to leave some lace on the back. So that was my mistake. But yeah, I just put the wig on, put my back comb in. It came with 2 side combs also, but I don't use side combs. I don't think anyone really uses side combs because they're uncomfortable. And I'm just going to cut my ear tabs because you don't want your frontal to pass your ears. You want it to sit comfortably behind your ears. Yes, ma'am. One side down, one more side to go. So guys, I now have my own lace adhesive glue. Go shop. Link will be in the description down below. You can go to my website, type in lace glue, type in wig glue, type in adhesive. It will pop up. And I did 3 layers of this. I only showed me doing 1 because, you know, you have to let each layer dry, reapply, dry, reapply. Didn't want the video to be long, so I just cut that out. And this glue is waterproof. It has superior hold, so go cop y'all some. Go cop y'all some glue, baby. It's really, really good. I've gotten good reviews so far. Everyone who's bought it has said it works really good. Strong hold, they love it. So go purchase my glue. It has no odor, no latex, no non-toxic, and superior hold and waterproof, baby. Go get that Daylawebster house lace glue. And what I'm doing now is taking a comb and just combing my glue into my lace so that it will stick better. And I'm gonna tie it down with an elastic band. Elastic bands, baby, they make the install great. They really melt that lace into your skin. And you can get them from Amazon, Walmart, Michaels. Amazon is your best bet right now because quarantine, you know, stay home, guys, stay home. So just order you one off Amazon. Mine came with 6 of them. So yeah, I love elastic bands. They really take the install from to yes ma'am. It really melts that freaking lace. So now I'm gonna try to work on the back of my hair, which was very hard. The back was just a hot mess. It really was. And I did 3 layers of this glue also, but I did crop it out. And I couldn't see what I was doing, so I moved to my room to try to see what I was doing in the mirror, but I still couldn't see. Oh my god, it was just too much. It was very hard. Okay guys, so this is after having the elastic band on. The front looks very good, okay? The front looks good. But the back, I don't know. I can't see. And I'm sure it looks a mess because I did it and I wasn't even able to see, from here it just looked a mess. What did it look like, y'all? I'm scared. I'm scary. But the back of the hair looks a hot mess, okay? If I could see what I was doing, I feel like I could have did a good job, but I couldn't see what I was doing, so I mean, hey. So now I'm cutting my lace. I like to cut my lace in sections with scissors, and then I go in and cut the hairline with a razor because it gives it a more jagged cut. It won't give me that straight across cut, so it'll look more realistic, like a hairline. You guys will see once I start. But I like to use scissors to cut my frontal in sections, so I don't have to cut straight across. It helps me not cut straight across because you don't want a jagged hairline. But right now I'm just gonna make my baby hairs, and you're gonna see me take my bow hold lace tint, and I just use that to make the lace more of my color. But I also use powder makeup by Ruby Kisses. And yeah, same thing I do to one side, same thing I do the other side. And I'm just gonna do this to the other side. Part out my baby hairs, spray my lace tint, and then I'm gonna tie it down with an elastic band, let it dry, and I will be back to cut that lace. to use mousse with my baby hairs. It helps me style them better. But I'm trying to figure out what's the best mousse or foam to use. Like, I honestly don't know. Nairobi, I heard, is good. A lot of people use Nairobi, but I personally do not like Nairobi because it's very runny. Even when you shake it up, like, it's just really runny. I've had a bad experience with Nairobi. It literally runs down my face, sits on my lace, and just it doesn't turn out good for me with Nairobi. And I don't like how it's blue. It leaves a little blue tint on my forehead. Maybe I just need to get a new bottle. Maybe it was a bad bottle of Nairobi, but I use Lotta Body mousse or foam lotion, whatever it is, but you have to make sure it's alcohol free. This, I'm not sure if it's alcohol free or not. I would hope so, because if it's not alcohol free, it's gonna help lift your lace, and you don't want that. But yeah, I just styled my baby hairs. I was going for more of a big baby hair look because this is such curly hair. But yeah. Okay guys, so wait, let me turn my fan off. It's loud. So this is how it looks wet, and it's so pretty wet. I wish I could wear it like this, like, and it stays like this, but you know, deep wave curly hair gets a little frizzy. Like, it's gonna poof back up just because that's what it does. But yeah, it's really, really cute.